Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your USDC from Revolut to Gemini for better trading options or portfolio management. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this step by step. It's a straightforward process, but always double check for any updates from the apps, as crypto rules can change quickly. First things first, make sure you have both the Revolut app and a Gemini account set up. Open your Revolut app and log in securely. Head over to the Crypto section. It's usually at the bottom of the home screen. Once there, find USDC in your list of assets. Tap on it to select it. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Before you proceed, switch to your Gemini app or website. Log in, go to your wallet, and select USDC. You'll need to generate or copy your Gemini wallet address. Make sure it's for the Ethereum network, as USDC typically runs on that. Now, back in Revolut, paste the Gemini address into the withdrawal field. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, and don't forget to review any fees involved. Revolut might charge a small fee, and network fees could apply too. So aim for a transfer that's worth the cost. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll likely need to verify this with your app's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once submitted, the transfer should process quickly, usually within minutes, depending on network congestion. After that, jump back to Gemini and refresh your wallet. You should see your USDC arrive shortly. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A few quick tips. Always use two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. Keep an eye on current market rates, as values can fluctuate. And if you run into any issues, both Revolut and Gemini have helpful support chats. There you have it. Sending USDC from Revolut to Gemini is easier than you think. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.